Welcome to our Boost Me Instagram Reel Views service. As everyone knows, Instagram has followed TikTok's very successful hype and released the well-known feature Instagram Reels, in where users can create video clips that are up to 15 seconds long. Since Reels are a new feature on Instagram, it is also favored by the Instagram algorithm and a new opportunity for everyone because Instagram is in a competition with TikTok and tries to maximize its own market share. In fact, users have liked the feature so much that Instagram is already flooded by Reels and the competition is high. To stand out, buying some Instagram Reel views can be a good idea to create social proof and add more potential to your Reels. Once you have some social proof, it is more likely that new people check out your account and start to engage with your content. It is a fact that Instagram Reels are the newest feature and have the chance to change everything for your account. Our service has proven to be great, and if you have any questions or problems, you can always contact our live customer support and get all questions answered. We are glad to help. For the rest, I wish you a lot of fun shopping on our website.